Hey everyone, hope you're doing safe, and today we are going to see how to do a DIY face mask at home. So let's get started. Take a piece of cloth and cut it in a square shape. You can do different sizes for kids and adults. Now start folding it as you see here. We will be doing about 4 to 5 folds over here. After you do that, start sewing from one end. You can use a sewing machine, it will be really quick and easy as well. But if you don't know how to use a sewing machine like me, you can also do hand stitch as well. It hardly takes any time, so it's not a big problem. After you're done, just fold it and start sewing it. This will make it look neat. So as you can see how the situation is getting bad, it's so necessary to wear a mask whenever you go outside. Buying a mask is always preferred, but if you are out of mask, you can always DIY it yourself. After you complete one side, repeat the same on the other side as well. After you're done on the other side, this is how it looks. Now let's attach the elastics to each end. You can always use a thread if you do not have elastic so that you can tie it. And that's it, you're done. This hardly took any time, and do try it once. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do not forget to like the video, comment down and share it as well. Meet you in my next video. Until then, take care.